Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the transformer in your canopy vent hood, be sure to turn off the power supply to the hood. Place a blanket over the cooktop to protect the surface. Rotate the access panel down. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the two screws securing the panel. Fully unthread the screws to release the panel. Remove both grease filters. Use a T10 Torx bit to unthread the screws to release the filter frames. Next, unthread the screws to release the blower assembly cover. Unthread the screws securing the light assembly panel. Slide the panel back to detach. Disconnect the light assembly wire connectors and set the panel aside. For easier access to the control housing, unthread the screws securing the housing to the mounting rail. Release the power supply cable from the retaining clip and disconnect all of the wire connectors to fully release the housing. Now use a T15 Torx bit to unthread the screws, securing the control housing cover. Remove the cover. And use the T10 Torx bit to fully unthread one of the screws, securing the transformer to the housing. Loosen the second screw to release the transformer. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the wire cover. Detach the cover and restraint. Note the location of the wires, then use a small flathead screwdriver to unthread the screws securing the wires. Detach the wires and remove the old transformer. Prepare the new transformer for installation by unthreading the screw to release the wire cover and restraint. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals. Tighten the screws to hold the wires in place. Realign the wire restraint, then replace the cover. Thread the screw to secure. Align the transformer under the loosened screw and tighten the screw. Thread and tighten the remaining screw. Realign the control housing cover and secure it with the screws. Reinstall the control housing by first connecting all of the wire connectors. Reposition the control housing on the mounting rail and secure the power supply cable in the retaining clip. Thread and tighten the screws to secure the housing. Reinstall the light assembly panel by first connecting the wire connectors. Realign the panel. Slide it forward, then thread and tighten the screws. Reposition the blower assembly cover and secure it with the screws. Realign the grease filter frames and rethread the screws to secure. Replace the grease filters. Align the access panel on the hinges, then thread and tighten the two screws to secure. Once the rear of the panel is secured, rotate the panel up and snap it into position. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the vent hood should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.